Hi! In this video, we'll be showing you how you can set up the standard strap for the MOVE Pro. We've laid out the parts that we'll need, and here are the steps on how to start your treatment. Grab the small strap fabric and loop it around the clasp and the vertical module holder. To secure the fabric, firmly glide your finger to help the Velcro teeth bite deeper into the fabric. Get one of the long strap fabrics and completely loop it around the holder. With the Velcro end, insert it on one of the holders and lock it in place. Take the other long strap fabric and place it around the other end of the holder by repeating the previous step. Lastly, take the medium-sized strap fabric and loop it around the holder and the other end of the clasp to create the strap loop. Now that the strap is set up, you can fully adjust the Velcro length and increase or decrease its size depending on the treatment you'll be doing. Place the modules into the holders one by one, and you can then start the treatment.